Welcome back sa part 3 ng Nutria Plus series. Kung nasundan mo ang part 1 and 2, alam mo na hindi biro ang magkasakit ngayon. At kung seryoso ka sa cancer prevention at healthy cells, this part is for you. Every day, tahimik tayong ina-attack ng toxins sa pagkain, hangin at stress. At kapag mahinang immune system, diyan lumalakas ang risk ng diseases and even cancer. Pero good news, may natural support tayo. Inside Nutria Plus, meron pang another 4 powerful ingredients na tumutulong protektahan ang cells. Number 1, garlic. Hindi lang pampasarap ng pagkain. It supports immunity and healthy cells. Number 2, grapeseed. Rich in antioxidants at pang-protection sa cells. Number 3, beetroot supports detoxification and healthy blood flow. At number 4, ang super mineral for cell protection and defense. Hindi ito magic, prevention and protection talaga. Kasi mas mahal ang gamutan kaya alagaan ang sarili habang maaga pa. Fight back before it's too late. If you love yourself, take Nutria Plus every day. And if you love your family, do the business. Your future self will thank you. Message me to start, stay healthy, and live better every day.